Good morning, students. Today we will see same chapter. It's Shivaji's education. Now we will see next para and it is what Veermata Jizabai taught Shivaji. See, Jizabai was no ordinary woman. She was the daughter of the mighty Sardar Lakhuji Rao Jadhav and the wife of the brave and valiant Shahaji Raje. Mighty means strengthful person, valiant means brave. She had inherited the knowledge of politics and warfare from her infancy. Inherited means genetic information is passed parent to child. Infancy means you can say in childhood or you can say in early age. In her was witnessed the confluence of the martial tradition of the famous houses of the Jadhavs and Bhosles. She was a freedom loving person with a great sense of pride. Pride means joy, pleasure, or you can say a satisfaction. She had learned through bitter experience that, however much a Maratha Sardar displayed valor, valor means bravery, courage. It was not appreciated in the courts of the sultans. She had valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. She had resolved that her son Shivaji would never be engaged in the services of others. He would establish the rule of his own people, Swaraj. She was bringing up Shivaji with that ideal. The people living in the Mawal region were called Mawlas. They were loyal, hardworking, and quick footed. Quick means fast footed. No one could surpass them in hardiness. Surpass means do or be better than ever before, or you can say be greater than. But they were harassed by the sultans rule. The armies of the sultans used to plunder their villages. Plunder means steal goods from disaster areas. They were doing loot, forcing the people to abandon their places. Nobody cared for them. Shivaji yearned to do something for these poor, miserable people. Yearned means crave, want, or wish something. On returning home, Shivaji would talk about this on his mother. Jizabai would say, Shiva, Sri Ramachandra is the ancestor of the Bhosles. Ancestor means a genetic relationship between two people. Rama killed Ravan and made his people happy. The ancestor of the Jadavas is Sri Krishna. He killed Kans and brought relief to his people. You are a descendant of both Sri Rama and Sri Krishna. You can also destroy the wicked and make your subjects happy. Descendant means family. Wicked means bad people, evil person. These words of Jizabai were a source of inspiration to young Shivaji. He would remember the brave deeds of heroes of the past like Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Arjun. He thought of them all the time, whether asleep or awake. He felt that he too must fight against injustice as they did, and like them destroy the wicked and bring happiness to his subject. He thought that he should become courageous and brave like these heroes of old. Next, we will see the new regime of Shivaji. Regime means new government of Shivaji or new administration of Shivaji. In Pune Jagir, the new regime of Shivaji began under the guidance of Jizabai. Shahaji Raje had already made the preparations for this. When Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune, he sent some very powerful and prestigious people with him. Prestigious means respected person, and they were Samraj Neelkant Peshwe, Balakrishna Hanumante Muzumdar, Mankoji Dahatonde Sarnobat, and Raghunath Ballal Sabnis, Sonopant Dabir. These were all able men fit to administer at independent kingdom. Shahaji Raje had specially deputed them to Pune to help Shivaji govern his Jagir efficiently. Deputed means nominated that them. Efficiently means well organized, or you can say successfully organized them. With their help, Shivaji began to administer his Jagir to attend the people's grievances. Grievances means injustice. Those who inflicted injustice upon the riot were punished. Inflicted means something unpleasant or painful to be suffered by someone or something. Riot means a peasant, a person who holds land as a cultivator of the soil. In a way, Shahaji Raje's Jagir was undergoing two transformation. The Maulas got a glimpse of the future Swaraj. It was as it were the dawn of Swaraj. Glimpse means quick view or look at something quickly. Dawn means the first appearance of light in the sky, or you can say a new sunrise. Now we will see Shivaji's marriage. In those days, people married at a very early age. So Jizamata said we should now get Shiva married. Then a search for a suitable bride for Shiva began. Soon she found the girl she wanted. Her name was Saibai. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of Paltan. The marriage was celebrated with great splendor. Splendor means luxurious, or you can say luxuriousness. Thank you, students.